Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Corrie Johnson and I am super excited about this look. Ha! Are you like me now? So this look got inspired by my color, as you can see, red and blue going on, but for my eyes I decided to make the blue pop more, so that it's not too dark. And I absolutely like how this makeup turned out, and I changed the way I lined my lips. I overlined the upper part of my lips. So tell me what do you think? Let's go on into this together. Priming my face with Becca primer. And onto my brows with a Eversheen pencil. And then I'll be sculpting my brows with my Maybelline foundation and also using LA Girl Concealer in Warm Honey. The foundation color is Coconut 355. So I'm just brushing on some foundation on my brows to soften it. So I'll be using this makeup palette by Juvia's Place. It's the Mini Magic Palette. So I'll be using this color. It is very close to red as my transition color. I'm only applying it on the outer corner because I'm going to be using blue on the inner corner. Let's just say I'm motivated by these two colors right here. Next, I'll be using this very dark blue. So back to my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'll be using this blue right here. It has a bit of some shimmer in it, but it's okay because it's just at the inner corner. So So I'm using this Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. So I'll be using this rose gold right here. It's not so much of a rose gold because it has some purple undertone in it and it is really gorgeous. There's no cutting or crease on this one. I'm just blending all the colors together. And back to this blue. This look is okay for some fashion runway, you know. You don't always have to use lines and cut creases. You could just blend colors together for some editorial look. Something not too dramatic, but the colors make it a bit dramatic. But hey. So I'll be using my LA Color eyeliner in black. And next is my Zaron mascara. Secret pencil in black. And we're ready to go into the face. Finish this look and snatch. Okay, it looks like I already applied my foundation and concealer. My camera went off, so this is what it looks like right now. I might as well just blend. So I'm applying my Sacha Butter cosmetic powder. My Milani powder in 110. It is warm. Up next is my Spassé powder in 375 Java. It's pretty dark, so you might want to be careful when using this powder, except you are really dark skin. You can use it all around if you're very dark, but I like to use it for my contour. Up next is a Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline. It is gorgeous. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply some red under my eyelid. Just so that it pops. And I'm using this vivid pencil by Zara Cosmetics. So I'm using this Jordana lipstick in Cinnamon Toast. And I'm using this new lipstick by Ninani. It is called 40 Brilliant.